we tried to think of a way for them to build a new future, a new city, to rise from the ashes.
So the primary idea of the research project was to incorporate some materials that prevails in the communities after the war ends.
So we take the rubble from the demolished buildings, and we take also the seawater because they have scarcity in fresh water. So we take the seawater as well and integrate them both with a mixed design of the Portland cement concrete, and then we can produce a concrete that is able to sustain the usual loads on the actual building up to like 3 or 4 story height for the buildings. And we can also take the car tires and the plastic bags and integrate them into the asphalt pavement. It will be very cost effective compared to the usual one, and also it will be very sustainable and very green, and also it will give me a larger lifetime, larger span. So we have the rubble from the buildings reduced to ashes. So we're trying to turn these ashes into a beacon of hope, into a city, into some buildings, and also asphalt pavement for the roads and bridges.
The pavement, the seawater, and so on. This is an integration of different disciplines and how to manage the process in a feasible way so this can come to reality. The project is effective. We have all indications about that. Of course, there is no project and no research that's a terminal one. It's a step on the road.
Although it was a student-based project, we were so happy to be recognized by the Egyptian Engineers Syndicate.
And they invited us and to tell us that they will form a committee for the reconstruction of Gaza. They promised us and that we will be the only undergraduate students in this committee taking our work into real life and implemented it.
It was truly effective, and results confirmed that incorporating both waste materials and demolished materials can give very promising results in enhancing the performance of both buildings and pavement structures.
So we try to find demolished sites here in Egypt. So when we got to the lab with our rubble, we tried to purify the rubbles from the impurity that we're seeing with our eyes.
The most challenging part of our project was mainly to find the material, and in the concrete part we were supposed to find rubble, real rubble, and seawater.
I come from Aden City, located in the far south of Yemen. I couldn't believe that someday I can make a change that can make my hometown and every other city suffering from wars a better place.